Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh flags off construction of Imphal Kangchup Tamenglong Road, the biggest project of State Public Works Department. Naharup JAC against the death of Memicha, storms Chief Minister's bungalow, submits memorandum to the Chief Minister. Khausabung Subdivision Demand Committee urges Chief Minister to review decision on renaming of Thangting Subdivision as Kangwai Subdivision. On eve of International Women's Day, its grim picture for Manipur. Violence against women continues. 45 cases have been registered till March this year. And national level Northeast Games 2015-2016 concludes. Host Manipur emerges as the overall team champion with 41 gold, 21 silver and 16 bronze medal. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Tenshwam Sangeeta with top stories and all the news we're tracking at this hour. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh today flagged off the construction of Imphal Kangchup Tamenglong Road. This is the biggest project of State Public Works Department. Chief Minister said the road will bring a new chapter in the relationship between the hills and the valley. Chief Minister also said the road will bring a new momentum in developmental work in the region. The flagging off ceremony was organized by Public Works Department at Kangchup Chiru. The construction of 103-kilometer road is being taken up by Department of Economic Affairs, Ministry of Finance under South Asian State Economic Cooperation Road Connectivity Investment Program as external aided project. The International Standard Road is constructed under the financial assistance of Asian Development Bank, and the state will bear only 10% of the total cost. The road project is targeted to be completed in 3.5 years' time. Chief Minister appealed to the people of the state to extend all-out support and assured that the executing agencies will complete the project on time. Detailed project report of the project is prepared by Intercontinental Technocrats Private Limited. Joint venture of Hindustan Construction Company Limited, Venza Construction Company Limited will execute the project at a bid cost of approximately 1,115 crore rupees.
ꯆꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒ ꯇꯝꯁꯤꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯈꯩ ꯏꯖꯤ ꯑꯦꯁꯦꯁꯤꯕꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯅꯕ ꯅꯛꯁꯟꯅꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ 12 ꯐꯥꯏꯅꯥꯟꯁ ꯀꯃꯤꯁꯟ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗꯀꯤ 2005ꯇꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯑꯒ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯌꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯆꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯤꯔꯤꯌꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯁꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯈꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯅꯛꯁꯟꯅꯕ ꯆꯤꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯆꯠꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯙꯔꯃ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯀꯝꯃꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯃꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯎꯍꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯠꯇꯅꯤ.
Speaking on the occasion, Deputy Chief Minister Gakhangam stated that Manipur can develop and prosper only when anti-social elements stop interfering in the developmental work. Gakhangam also thanked the landowners who donated land for the construction of the new road and said the gesture should be followed by the rest of the state. Gakhangam also appealed to people to stop demanding compensation for any public project. The national highway, which is likely to be part of Asian Highway, will shorten the road distance between Imphal and Tamenglong by 43 kilometers. 5.54 kilometer long Nauremthong to Lamsang stretch of the road will be converted into 4-lane, and the 7.36 kilometer long Lamsang to Kangchup stretch of the road will be 10-meter wide double lane with paved shoulder, and Kangchup to Tamenglong will be double lane. The road will also serve as a new lifeline of the state.
Habama tokapata ujik sila apan mo ini bese naharun wada natre kunda campaigns munnabada amana group amada taxin tawna daga ta haying ji tonghan ba palam da bada pothal lagan da haying tonghan da irang tonghan ba machina chokhat pagi thabak da apan bayam pi ba tawri bese Imphal Kangchup amadi Tamenglong paul sakade ba sengbado lambi sigi masang sida leil praja ngasimak akhoi lam donate tawre lambi bhajan subiu hairi ban khoi wakhalon se Manipur chingmi tambi praja sing da masi wakhalon chinmam tarabadi kari gi saphalo masi gi matau se Manipur da leiba praja punamna tamjabo uisnu haidara tamja.
A large number of women from Naharup today stormed Chief Minister's bungalow in connection with the Memicha death case. The women, who are members of JEC, formed against the killing of Memicha, took out rally from Palace Compound in protest against the death of Memicha and clashed with security forces at Sanjinthong Bridge at around 11:30 this morning when they were stopped by the security forces. Overpowering the security personnel, large number of women reached the gate of Chief Minister's bungalow. The crowd was stopped at CM's bungalow gate by large number of state police personnel. The protesting women shouted slogans such as "Book the culprit," "Authority cannot dispose the dead body," "How many women have Ibobi government killed?" 3 representatives were later allowed to submit memorandum to Chief Minister. Moirangthem Ongbi Memicha was found dead on 26 Feb at Samaram Panthak Lokol. Speaking to Impact News, JAC Naharupko convener Thaunojam Asha Kiran denounced the order of OC in charge, Women Police Station Thoubal, to dispose the dead body today. She said the post-mortem report of Memicha is still not made available to them, and the authority has also failed to book those involved in the killing despite their intimation of the suspects.
Ngasi panbiri ba sarkar sina koi na haibadi mihat pasing do amukdang dandi pina na batawi ona koi na laujagi ba kholo e farsan ba su san bidre moina adugi mathakta asi ba thidok pi haibu thidok bidre aduga karam background no ba mana asi ba se poloi thoni haibu se masidi akoi na rajniti ki khudyawi haibu se akoi 100 sungane ba uniform set pa sarkar moina mi phaba ngamdragadi praja akoi ki khudda sina biro ba ai gi icha do inau do hat ki ba do akoi na dandi bijara ge ba du moina uniform set pa ki gari drakha lai moina pham bai bi ba ki gari drakha lai ge ba.
Strongly denouncing the cabinet decision to rename Thangting subdivision as Kangwai subdivision, the Khausabung subdivision demand committee KSDDC has urged the Chief Minister to review the cabinet decision and rename the subdivision as Khausabung subdivision as per the wish of the people of the area. Addressing media persons today at Manipur Press Club, spokespersons of KSDDC, NG Shang Gangte, said they have been demanding to rename it as Khausabung for the past 25 days. On 29th of February, around 3,000 people held a mega rally and adopted 5 resolutions. He further said after Class 10 and Class 12 board exams, they will intensify their agitation. Earlier, they were supposed to call indefinite Chakka Bandh on Tidam line from 8th of March. For time being, the indefinite Chakka Bandh has been called off. Shangangte said there are around 125 villages inhabited by different ethnic tribal communities including Aimol, Chiru, Chothe, Gangte, Kom, Rongmei in the new subdivision circle. More than 100 village chiefs of different tribal communities except for one particular community have conveyed their preference to locate the subdivisional headquarters at Khausabung village, which is also a district council constituency headquarter. Political leader of Henglep constituency, Lian Gangte, said it will be wise for the state government to review the cabinet decision and rename the subdivision as Khausabung before any untoward incident happens.
Khausabung subdivision demand committee sina Khausabung asida headquarter thambiu haidana kholau laurak pasi ngasi ga thana numit kun mangani sure megarali chathama matungda mitin amada wari manga lawi lawki babari manga manung do da khoi gi dabi asi government asina tabi de batarabadi parikha si loima matamda akanba ahianba khongjang changchin ki gani haidana wari lawki adugi matungda karigumba khongjang changsilaga khongthang thangsilak matamda asoyangam ate ka kai thokning daba thokhanning daba thodok thok patarabasu khudingmak kholawsu butabi daba government na daitaloge do.
International Women's Day on the theme Planet 50-50 by 2030, Step It Up for the Gender Equality and Victims in Focus. Grave situation in Manipur was observed today at Lamyan Masanglen Palace Compound. The day was observed by Women Committee of United NGOs Mission Manipur. As part of the observation, victims of violence against women from 9 districts of the state shared their testimonies. 9 victims of violence against women were extended financial assistance of 10,000 rupees each. Speaking to media persons, convener of Women Committee United NGOs Mission Manipur, Sobita Mangsatabam said 45 cases of violence against women have been registered for this year till 6th of March. Victims of violence against women are bringing their children without any help from the government. She also appealed to the state government to provide rehabilitation facility and compensation to the survivors of crime against women.
silent tawraga leiriba akhoi nupi mayam ama karimata kano confront tawdaba thengnadaba aduga kiraga natraga matom sijagiba mayam ama leiriba singa se akhoi victim sing asigi su space leiko akhoi hingdaba yade akhoi sai su thakadabni leba ke chobu contribution tawgadabni haiba wakhalon amasung akhoi da message piba akhoi na su sarkar da appeal tawjari madudi victim se suki matik yame for the last many 50-60 years ki lan sina maram oiraga oihoriba victim mayam sing asigi rehabilitation tawiba amasung compensation piba aduga makoi bu hinghanduna akhoi lengak asida chobu contribution tawhonnabagidamata hotnabiu.
Janata Dal United Manipur State Unit today condemned the state government and the centre for not taking any action regarding the encroachment of Manipur land along the international border. Addressing media persons at JDU office, party president M. Tombi Singh said Information Centre for Hill Areas Manipur ICHM had already informed the state government that Myanmar has encroached upon the land of Manipur in Chandel border area by erecting 2 pillars 2 kilometers inside the land of India. M. Tombi appealed to the state government to convene an all-party meeting to discuss the matter to be taken up with the centre.
Began as Sukimatic later, but Kuzukulai Matic Sana later, Matamda, I could give Lamque, Sino, Mangsin by Vese, Masi Janta United, Masita Shing, the Harakanda, Yamna White, state government, Amadi, central government, Amadi, Brahmagi, Mihut Singa, Adugal, Manipurda, Kuigi, Kundariba, borders the Kundariba, community sing, Dugi leaders sing, Londona, Manipurda lady, pressure group singer, Unna, demarcation number Toraga. Lisang sina sana bayaba policy ma state government na madu atumatam na puthokpiyo.
Manipur Urban Development Agency MUDA will hold Clean Government Office Competition 2016 under Swachh Bharat Mission. The decision in this regard was taken at a state high-powered committee meeting held with the State Chief Secretary in the chair. The competition will cover government offices in Imphal City, Thoubal and Bishnupur District Headquarters. An independent assessment team will inspect the offices in sanitation infrastructure, cleanliness of office premises and mechanism of disposing waste as parameters for the competition, which will be held from 16th of February till the 20th of February. In an exclusive interview with Impact News, some top officials expressed the step as worthy. But Impact News also found out that most officers did not have in-depth knowledge of the competition.
Manipur Urban Development Agency na sumaina yamna innovative oiba Swachh Bharat Mission ga su sarugama oina sigasu concur to mong da sumaina Imphal gi area da lairiba sarkar gi officing jibu hena nan ba mong da purakna bagi sigum batan jama pi basi yamna innovative oiba pungning thogon ngai wa poni
muda na koi sanitation sigi Swachh Bharat Mission ni makada masi koi kano maka ranking am pi ni ana si lai adu koi dum honorable koi chairman karikra me am si koi Adam punna phamga tana jarabani aduna akoi madum participate tawjagani
lunan bagi hengat bagi di masi definitely hengakani amasung akoi department su masi yaugni maram di department su na ba yaubi hoina khoina request tor information pira ibani amasung akoi major headquarters me hamsu yau hoina akoi represent to bi hoina hairi bani na it's a boon for our state, so we have to definitely join it.
An interactive session, Pediatrics Health Talk on how to keep children healthy, was held at Vale Academy, Ghari. The program was organized by CJ Pediatrics and Neonatology Department. The program was organized in connection with the School Health Week, which is held from 4th of March till the 8th of March. A team led by CJ Hospital's pediatrician and neonatologist consultant, Dr. Yaikomba Taurem, conducted the interaction session. Vitamin A supplements were distributed to school children up to the age of 5. Along with liquor in a drive at Tentha Marongban. The drive was conducted by Tentha Development Committee and clubs of Tentha. The woman was handed over to police. The committee also warned people not to use intoxicating substance in the area. Former Central Agriculture University Dean Professor N. Iwoton yesterday launched poster campaign of first state-level mushroom exhibition cum musical concert. It's time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
मसिन हक्चांगी पांगल अमदि लिवर सोहन बतनतना पुक नाबा एसिडिटी चाब तुमदबन चिंबा क्या नारक या
इमाना पिरक हक्चांग ngakthuknaba hidak lairisidi lipse namanaba singa nungtiri party sanga chadrabadi sukya magya dabra adumna khangra male masina puknaba thinbagi awaba thohanba yai
लिपसब नुतिगी चाबना एसिडिटी चाब तुमदबा खोंग हाबा यादबा फल अदुगा चाकसु लामले
liver bu farabadi punsisu super hit oire.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. A fire broke out at the residence cum shop of Lorembam Dhiren Singh, aged 54, son of late Ningdhem Cha of Top Moirang Kampu, Tinsid Road, Kiba Bazar. 20-year-old boy was injured in the fire which broke out early in the morning at 1. Property worth 1 crore rupees were destroyed in the fire. A cinema hall cum shop, a computer shop, furniture shop and sound and light equipments including generator were completely destroyed in the fire. The fire also engulfed 2 jeeps, 1 Honda Activa, 6 bicycles, 1 Kinetic Honda, 6 generators along with 4 motors and 4 inverters were also destroyed. Locals have complained that fire tenders came very late. A sit-in was held against the assault of Mayang Lambam Raghumani, popularly known as Ipu. Film Forum Manipur held the sit-in at Ima Panthoibi Mandop in Thamaiban, Maisnam Lekai. Speaking to Impact News, Film Forum Manipur Chairman L. Surjakanta Sharma appealed to those involved in the case to clarify at the earliest. It may be recalled that film director Ipu was kidnapped and assaulted on 3rd March by armed persons.
Ipugi Kutariba music do Tidopiraga, Putopi Amasum, Ipugi Maralse, Mamma Kutara begin Maramka, no Kangan be Waiba Katani, Lenana, Soktan Ledaba, Pilam Tabzerakat Chondana, Imung Puri Baipu, Lareba Mini, Magil, Anala Yang Dagamena, Angama Mateng Full, Mateng Bambidana, Ipugi Lapkal Waibani, other Obzik Apena, Makata and Sangin Jeriba City, Ipugi Maral Karino, Kadabagi. Mangoda Kutari Beno, Lebak Miamamanda, Pilam Trinity Aqueda, was in Medagi Tong the Shandapu.
Troops of 21 Assam Rifles of 28th Sector Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarter IGAR South apprehended an active cadre of Pre-Park Pro on 4th of March at T. Jangnum Village, Chandal District. The arrested cadre has been identified as Self-Styled Private Somorjit Singh, son of late Godadhar Singh, resident of Langol Housing Complex Type 2. Somorjit Singh revealed that he joined the outfit in April 2015 and received military training at Pre-Park Pro Camp Tamu in Myanmar. The arrested cadre and articles recovered from him have been handed over to Chakpikarong Police Station. The Rhythms of Manipur Uripok organized a lecture demonstration program on Manipuri music at the Usha Bhavan High School, Sagolban, Sayang yesterday. During the program, the artists of the Rhythms of Manipur presented music compositions before the students and teachers of the school, besides demonstrating the music and interacting with the students. As part of the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan to ensure Clean India by 2019, the artists of the Rhythms of Manipur also undertook cleanliness drive inside the school complex after the lecture demonstration program. Two-day National Environment Awareness Campaign on the theme Combating Desertification, Land Degradation and Drought held at Manning Primary School concluded yesterday. The campaign was organized by Apunba Mahi Sanglen Isok under the funding of Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India. On the concluding day, 100 saplings were planted at the school campus. On the other hand, one-day National Environment Awareness Campaign was organized by Bharat Sevak Samaj Manipur State Branch at Nongmaikong Community Hall, Bishnupur District. Indira Oinam in Social Activist category and Dr. Oinam Sarita and NG Bimola in Entrepreneur category have been awarded Shri Udyamita Samman Women Achievers Award 2016. Secretary of Kasturba Gandhi Institute for Development, KGID, Manipur said the award were presented on the closing day of Women for Women campaign by IIE, Educom Foundation, Believe India, PIOCC and BS Foundation at Shilprogram, Guwahati. Late P.A. Sangma, former Lok Sabha Speaker, penned his last letter to Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh recommending an Arjuna Award for India's iconic women footballer Oinam Bembem. Sangma dashed off the letter to Singh on 3rd of March, one day before a fatal heart attack in Delhi. Sangma's close aide A. Rahman revealed that P.A. Sangma had recommended Bembem's name for the Arjuna Award. Rahman said he remembered he told him that Manipuri women deserved the Arjuna Award as she brought laurels to India on several occasions. P.A. Sangma had directed Rahman to deliver the letter to Rajnath Singh's office soon after he signed the letter on Thursday. Bembem retired from international football after the final match between India and Nepal at the 12th South Asian Games held in Shillong last month. Muslim Council Manipur today appealed to support and provide financial help for 4 times gold medalist and national champion Muhammad Riaz of Golapati Mayalekai. Addressing media persons in Manipur Press Club, Secretary of Muslim Council Manipur, Haji Arafat said, despite being a differently able person, Muhammad Riaz has won many medals at Wheelchair Fencing Championship. He further said Muhammad Riaz is going to participate at Wheelchair Fencing Championship 2016 and at the Rio Olympics.
हंदकी मतंग असदी मणिपुर प्रजा नुक्सीबीदुना अमदी मरी लेनब सरकार अथॉरिटी मणिपुर गवर्नमेंट स्पोर्ट्स की लमदा खुमांग चौक्सिनबीदुना महाकु मतेंग पांगबीबा अमदी मिनुंगसी अमा येंगबिरगा असिगुंबा सानरोय निंहनब लेतना सोयनायरबा मोरगसु लमदम असिगी चौखत थौरांग पुजरकपा ngamjaba misak amani loinana khoi MCM gi maigai deksu support tawjeri loinana praja section khudimang su mahakpu support tawbiu.
National level Northeast Games 2015-2016 concluded today with host Manipur emerging as the overall team champion. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh asserted the games will unite and strengthen the sports persons of not only the Northeast but of the whole country. He said the games will encourage sportspersons in competing in national and international levels. Chief Minister also appreciated the players for showcasing their talents during the games. 920 players from the Northeast states competed in the 8 disciplines during the games, which started from 2nd of March. Chief Minister also took the salute of the march past presented by the players of the games. Host Manipur won 41 gold, 21 silver and 16 bronze and emerged as the overall team champion. Mizoram with 17 gold, 21 silver and 7 bronze were the runners-up. PhD Minister and Manipur Olympic Association President I. Hemochandra, Hill Areas Committee Chairperson Dr. Chaltolin Ammo, retired IAS, Dr. R.K. Nimai, officials of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Abhiyan attended the concluding day function. Formerly Northeast Sports Festival and rechristened as National Level Northeast Games is organized by Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of Manipur under Rajiv Gandhi Khel Abhiyan, Ministry of Sports, Government of India.
Attractive because it showcases the best talent performance of the region. Talented sportspersons from this region have done India proud by earning laurels in the national and international events, including Olympics. The main focus for hosting of such mega sports event is to expose the performance and potential of different players from the northeastern region of the country to the nations and the world.
Manipur lifted the Women's Football Championship trophy in the National Level Northeast Games. In the final match played today at Kumalampak Artificial Turf, Manipur humiliated Nagaland by 5-0. Manipuri player M. Mandakini struck twice in the 17th and the 37th minute. NG Bala, S. Pramodini and O. Roshni scored a goal each in 15th, 30th and the 69th minute of the match. In a match played for 3rd place at Kumalampak Practice Ground, Meghalaya outclassed Tripura by 1-0. The solitary goal was scored by Meghalaya's player Baijun Lang in the 76th minute. The championship was organized by Department of Youth Affairs and Sports Manipur under the aegis of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Abhiyan. 8 teams from the Northeast competed in the championship. And Nagaland won the men's football title. In the final match played at Kumalampak Artificial Turf Ground, Nagaland defeated Mizoram 6-5 in penalty shootout after normal time ended in 1-1 goal draw. Host Manipur defeated Tripura a goal in the 3rd place face-off. More football news. Thales FC High School have entered into the semi-final of the third Oinam Charlie Memorial Open 5A side football tournament. In the fourth quarter-final match played today, Thales FC High School defeated FC Judge Wycombe Lekai by 3-2. Thales FC High School player Rupachandra scored 2 goals in the 18th and 48th minute, while Kachan scored a goal in the 41st minute of the match. The losing team, FC Judge Wycombe Lekai player Milan, scored 2 goals in the 4th and 13th minute of the match. 22 teams are participating in the tournament, which began from the 14th of February at Aikoigi Club, Singjamai Oinam Thingel ground. The first semi-final match between Sangai FC Thangweban and John FC Achan Bigay will be played on 9th of March. FC Moirang defeated SWC Kairak by 10-1 in the 12th DSA Trophy Naurem Bubol Memorial State Level Invitation Football Tournament today. The tournament is organized by District Sports Association Kakching under the aegis of All Manipur Football Association. AFC Thoubal Athopur will clash with KMWS Kairak tomorrow. With that is a wrap in this edition of Primetime English News. Before we end, a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Okram Ibovi Singh flags off construction of Imphal Kangchup Tamenglong Road, the biggest project of State Public Works Department. Naharup JAC against the death of Memi Cha storms Chief Minister's bungalow, submits memorandum to Chief Minister. Khausabung Subdivision Demand Committee urges Chief Minister to review decision on renaming of Thangting Subdivision as Kangwai Subdivision. On eve of International Women's Day is grim picture for Manipur. Violence against women continues. 45 cases have been registered till March this year. And National Level Northeast Games 2015-2016 concludes. Host Manipur emerges as the overall team champion with 41 gold, 21 silver and 16 bronze.